Hey guys, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide address on Shopify. Simple tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are on Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into settings on the bottom left of our screen, and then from here you would want to go into shipping and delivery. And then from here scroll all the way down until you see packing slips. So click here on packing slip template. And from here you can preview the template, click on that. And then from here you should now be able to see on what the template looks like, and then from here it would show your address just right about here. So let's say that you want to remove this, so you don't want your customers to see that. So it's very simple. All you have to do first, you want to copy all of this right here, so select this and press on Ctrl+A so that you'll be able to select all of that. Right click and then click on copy, and then just open up a notepad and then just paste everything right here. This is just a backup, so in case you mess something wrong with this one right here, because we will be editing this, you could just paste this again so that it would be going back into normal. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scroll here until we see the summary address. So it's very simple, it's no complicated coding knowledge right here, so let's just find that. So right here, so as you can see, we now have seen this is the one that you would want to delete. So you simply want to delete this, and also this one right here at the top right there, and just delete. So select that and press the delete key on your keyboard, and then there it is. So tap on save once you're done, or click on it, and once it's done you want to now click on preview template once it's done saving. So click on it, and then from here you would now be able to see that your address is now not listed anymore in this clip right here. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.